Taking the test with a professional versus taking a test with your iPhone. The iPhone pauses between the pitch tones. The pause can be quite long. Your mind goes places, you wander a little bit, and then all of a sudden, oh, you hear a tone and you click. You could see how it'd be very easy for an individual to take a test with the iPhone and their results might be a little exaggerated or a little worse as a result of awkward pauses. They do that because they're trying to not allow the person taking the test to get into a rhythm where you're anticipating and you kind of go, okay, I believe there's going to be a tone now, and you touch your screen. So I think they do a good job with that. It's just a little bit different than taking a test with a professional that doesn't have such long pauses of 30 seconds or something that seemed forever, in there. So.
Yeah, the administration of the test is different when you take it professionally versus taking it on the phone.